If you stand on a beach in Florida or France and look out at the horizon, you might think the water belongs to that country. And for a while, it does. But go out far enough, and you enter a legal no-man's land. International law treats the ocean like a layered cake. The first 12 miles are territorial waters. Here, the country's laws are absolute. It's basically their backyard, but then things get interesting. From 12 to 200 miles out, you enter the EEZ, the exclusive economic zone. In the EEZ, a country doesn't own the water, but they own the stuff in it. The fish, the oil, the wind power, that's all theirs. But they can't stop a foreign ship from just sailing through. But once you hit mile 201, you've reached the high seas. This is 60% of the ocean's surface and 95% of its volume. And under the freedom of the high seas doctrine, nobody owns it. On the high seas, you follow the laws of the country whose flag is on your ship. It's why so many cruise ships fly the flag of the Bahamas. It's a flag of convenience. But wait, if nobody owns the high seas, who owns the dirt at the very bottom? In 2026, this is the trillion-dollar question. It's called the area. The bottom of the deep ocean is covered in nodules, potato-sized rocks filled with cobalt and lithium. We need these for EV batteries. But because the high seas are the common heritage of mankind, you can't just go grab them. Enter the ISA, the International Seabed Authority. As of 2026, they have finalized the mining code. They act as the world's landlord, deciding who gets a permit and how much of the profit must be shared with developing nations. For decades, the high seas were a wild west of overfishing and pollution. But in 2023, the UN finally agreed on the BBNJ Treaty, which is now coming into full legal force in 2026. This high seas treaty allows the world to create marine protected areas in international waters. It's the first time we've had a legal mechanism to say, you can sail here, but you can't touch the life below. It's a massive shift. We are moving from an ocean that was free for all to an ocean that is managed for all. So, who owns the ocean? You do. We all do. But as we start mining the depths and protecting the surface, the law of the sea is becoming the most important legal battleground on Earth. Like and subscribe to keep the channel afloat.